I found an AI builder that generates a complete professional website in under 60 seconds. And in this video, I'll walk you through the entire process and build my own website using this tool. All you need to do is describe your brand and what kind of site you want. And the AI builds everything for you, complete with design, images, and structure, ready to publish. Now once that's done, you can customize everything without writing a single line of code, making this perfect for anyone who just wants a professional website done quickly and easily. Now to do all of that, we're going to use OnePage AI. I'll leave a link in the description so you can follow along. Let's get started. Now, once you've signed up for a new account, this is what your dashboard looks like. You want to start by clicking Create Project in the top right corner. Now you'll see several ready-made templates here, and honestly, they already look really good. You can even remix them with AI to instantly match your own branding.
But in this video, we're going to start completely from scratch and let the AI build everything for us. Give your project a name and add your domain name. If you're not sure of what it is, it's basically your website's unique name and address on the internet. After that, click Create Project again to continue.
Now, you'll see two options.
The first is to build your website manually, which means you simply click on the sections you want to include, like a hero, about, or pricing section, and they appear instantly. From there, all that's left is updating the text, tweaking a few buttons, and your website's ready to go.
The second option is where the AI builds everything for you, and this is where your prompt really matters, because the quality of your prompt directly impacts how good your final website turns out. Here's the simplest and most effective way to write a good prompt: who you are, who it's for, what you offer, and your goal. I know it sounds short, but trust me, the more things you add here, the more confusing it gets for the AI, and that usually means worse results.
So with that in mind, I'll type travel nest. Slow travel made simple. Goal: plan your next trip. It's just one sentence, but it'll actually give me much better results. Next, choose your style: direct, bold, and built for conversions. Modern, sleek, rounded, and friendly. Formal, minimalist, and professional. You can also choose between dark mode and light mode. I'll go with modern and hit generate. And there we go. In just a few seconds, OnePage has built the full layout with hero, features, and testimonials, and a call to action. That literally took less than 30 seconds. Now, if there's a section you don't want to include, simply click the delete icon to remove it. Or if you want to add a new section, you can do that just as easily. If you like what you see, you can improve it. If not, just click regenerate to try a different version. Now, let's say you don't like the current color scheme or the typography of your website. Just click on design, and from there you can pick any color palette or font style you like. The website already looks great, but I want to tweak a few things. Let's start with the basics, like editing text. Just click on any text you want to change and start typing your own. You can also adjust things like font size, color, highlights, or even add links directly. Now, to change an image, just click on it and upload your own. You'll also find extra options like styles, animations, and more. And if you want to edit the background of a specific section, click the brush icon. Here you can add a video, image, gradient, or whatever fits your design. Everything is fully customizable, so you can keep refining your page until it looks exactly the way you want.
Now this is one of my favorite features, the AI assistant. Just click on it, and it opens up a new window where you can choose to edit a section, edit the entire page, or even create new sections, multi-step forms, or pages.
Let's say I don't like how this section looks. I'll click the edit section, and now I have 4 options: rewrite content, translate, check spelling and grammar, and layout alternative. Since I want a different layout for this section, I'll choose layout alternative, and within seconds it gives me 4 new designs to pick from. Now let's try creating a brand new section. I'll just type in a short prompt, and instantly OnePage generates a fresh section ready to use. Let's also create a form where visitors can submit their details. I'll click on the plus icon, then choose from one of the pre-made form templates. I like this one. You can even preview it before adding. Now let's add it to our page, and it looks perfect.
Now, what's important to know is that for advanced users, you can also generate custom code directly inside the editor. And don't worry, you can use the AI to write that code for you.
I'll add an empty section here, select custom code, and then open the AI assistant to give it a prompt. You can even add media context if you have a brand color palette or a reference image. The AI will instantly use that as a visual guide. And just like that, it builds everything right inside the editor. No external tools, no copy-pasting code.
So having explained all the features, I'm now going to customize this website and turn it into something I actually like.
And there we go. I've just completed my website. It now has all my content, my images, everything is ready. Once you're satisfied with your website, just click publish and your site goes live instantly.
That's OnePage AI, from idea to live site in seconds. Without giving up creative control, you can generate pages, funnels, and even custom code, all inside one clean editor. To try it yourself, click the link in the description below to get started. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment on what kind of site you'd build with OnePage AI.